What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you the best price action trading strategy. I'm going to show you how I actually use this strategy to catch this trade. I'm going to be showing you exactly what to do step by step. This is the easiest strategy on Forex and Futures YouTube. So make sure you stay tuned because you definitely do not want to miss out on this. Now let's get right into it. So I'm going to show you this simple diagram of what this strategy is. It's very easy and very simple. So in a bullish scenario, if we look right here, all you're looking for is a market structure shift. So you're looking for a break of a high. After price breaks a high, you're waiting for a fair value gap to form, specifically a bullish fair value gap. Then when price retraces into that bullish fair value gap, you look for price to react off that bullish fair value gap. Then you want to enter off the reaction, and you would set your stop loss at the reaction low, and you aim for any nearby liquidity or simply a 1 to 2 risk reward. Now on the bearish side, you're looking for a bearish market structure shift, so a break below a low. Then you're waiting for a bearish fair value gap to form. You wait for price to retrace up into that fair value gap. You wait for a reaction from the fair value gap. Then you enter, set your stop loss at the reaction point, and you set your take profit at liquidity or a 1 to 2 risk reward. Now this is super easy. It's very, very easy to understand. This is literally all the steps that you need for the best price action trading strategy, and it's very simple. You're just following basic price action. Now let me show you how and why I took this trade, and it's literally based on the exact model. So you see here I had shorts. So if you look here, we have a high here. We break that high, so now we're bullish, but you see price did not react off this fair value gap. But what do? We break this low. So now that we broke this low with the candle body close on this candle, we now have a bearish market structure shift. What's the second step? Is you wait for a fair value gap. What do we see? Fair value gap forms up here. So now we have our fair value gap. So we have our breaker structure, we have our fair value gap. Now the third step is a retracement into the fair value gap. You see we retrace up into the fair value gap with this candlestick. Then we wait for a reaction. We get this bearish reaction from this fair value gap. That's when I entered. I set my stop loss at the reaction point, and I set my take profit at liquidity. So it is very easy. That is literally all you have to do. That is how I caught this trade.